I grew up having perfect teeth. Everybody used to always comment about how nice my teeth were and everything. I got in a little car accident that loosened the front teeth, and we worked and worked and worked, tried to get them to tighten back up. They never really did. And then I took a softball to the mouth in a game one day, and that pretty much ended that. So we ended up having to pull the teeth, and I had dentures. I went through a couple different rounds of dentures, and they were just never comfortable. Rarely even wore them because they were that uncomfortable, and it affected every aspect of my life, I gotta be honest. I used to be very confident and upfront and outgoing, and once all this happened, I tended to be more hidden back, and I didn't engage in conversations with people, and it just really did a number on my confidence.
We had the pleasure of meeting Terry after he had found us online, and on his first visit we could see that he was suffering from a lot of challenges in his confidence and how he presented. He had a lower appliance that he was wearing, a lower denture. He didn't like having it in. Food was getting caught underneath it. His tongue was not comfortable having something like that sit in the rest of it in the floor of his mouth. And his upper teeth that he had a bridge, a long span bridge on his upper teeth that wasn't designed very well. When he would smile, we only saw a certain number of his teeth. Aesthetics of that bridge were compromised, as well as there was decay underneath the supporting teeth that were part of that bridge. So he came in and he was looking for a solution.
And after I talked to Dr. Bhullar and he explained all the different things, showed me all kinds of pictures and what could happen and the benefits of it, so I took a shot and did it, and couldn't be happier. Just couldn't have been happier.
We gave him a few options to consider, and he wanted to really explore the all-on-X or all-on-4 solution. He was very excited about that option to consider. He asked a lot of questions, and we were able to answer and work through his concerns that he had, and it was a great result that we were able to achieve for him.
It was an instant confidence boost. I mean, right off the bat. And the odd thing is, I didn't realize how reserved I had become over the years, and it was gone almost overnight. I was engaged again. I enjoyed my smile. People even complimented me and saying I should smile more. And I also realized that a lot of people didn't really even notice that I hadn't been smiling that much until I started smiling again, and they realized, hey, that's, it was like I was a different person. And I couldn't have been more thankful. It's just amazing.
Yeah, we've seen a wonderful transformation in Terry from the times we met him before the procedure to the several months after that we've got to know him. He dresses differently now. He's got a different haircut now and a new set of glasses. So we've really seen him take pride in his appearance and how he carries himself. So it really gives us a lot of pride in what we're able to have a small part in his journey.